Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called A Change in Progress from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. A change in progress. What was once a certainty is now a question mark, as you outgrew each other and parted separate ways. As you reach this crossroad, always keep in mind you're a change in progress, redefining the new. What was once a certainty may today be a question mark or the inevitable past. So don't be alarmed, just embrace change and redefine yourself in your newfound life. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take some time with you. If you can and are able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my driveway. I'm grateful for my beautiful patio. I'm grateful for my home. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.